ordering Tracktown Pizza? You know they have a new website, right?
What?
I know, right?
I'm Aiden Nelson.
I'm Hannah Vaughn. And I'm Caitlin Hill.
And we are the Tracktown Pizza website project team.
Located on Franklin Boulevard across from the University of Oregon, Tracktown Pizza opened its doors in 1978. The 100-seat restaurant is adorned with photos of the university and many collegiate and Olympic athletes. Many athletes, families, and students have enjoyed eating at the classic pizzeria. The current website for Tracktown Pizza is outdated and difficult to use for both customers and managers. As a solution to this issue, our team has been working on a new website for the business, and we will be demonstrating our current progress on it in this video.
They will be displayed with this page here. It starts off with an encouragement to call in an order or to order online. It then details basic information about the company, such as the physical location, as well as their hours, both through Sunday and Thursday, and as well as Friday through Saturday. On the right side is a display of events. It displays 5 events that administrative users can customize with its name and its date. And then finally, at the very bottom is the most recently published or most recently edited blog post with its title, publish/edit date, a photo, and its content. Additionally, on each page of this website, there will be a navigation bar at the top, which displays the links for the home, menu, contact, blog, and about pages. Clicking the Tracktown Pizza logo will also navigate the user back to this home page. Also on each page will be the footer, which displays the copyright for Tracktown Pizza, as well as additional links and a link to Tracktown Pizza's Facebook page.
It's a restaurant, so the menu is the most important thing for them to show their users what they serve. So here it's broken up into 6 categories. So we have pizza, side orders, beverages, lunch buffet, side sauces, and merchandise. So we have all the pages except for the merchandise. We're still waiting on pictures for that one, so that page is still under construction. So here's the pizza page. So this shows you all of their menu pizzas. So you can scroll down and see everything that you would see on their menu in pictures. And then often pizza restaurants have build your own options. So if we click on this button up top, build your own, it takes you to this page that allows users to kind of see their menu, play around with it, find out the cost. So we would just kind of step through this, and you can click your sizes, if you want wider wheat crust, if you want a thin crust option, half and half. So you just can kind of go through here. And that has all their toppings too, broken up by meats versus non-meats. And then down here, it will show the order of the pizza that they picked. And this is automatically re-rendered based on what the user has clicked and not clicked. And it will show them the order cost so they know upfront how much their pizza is going to be. And then it gives them the order down here to call. And that's also why we have this listed out for the user so they can see all the options that they picked and easily put in an order. But oftentimes people want more than one pizza, so when you click on this build again, it takes you back to the top, and so you can go through and put in a second order. And so then you see down here it has both of their pizzas and an updated cost.
This is the lunch buffet page. As you can see, it shows the hours the lunch buffet is available, as well as the different buffet prices. So we have the different buffet options depending on what you qualify for and what price entry to the buffet is. And then we have the buffet prices for individual items during the buffet hours.
So here it has all the different sort of entrees or sides that you can get, including their famous track sticks or breadsticks, wings, and salad bar, as well as some of their desserts, including cookies and ice cream sandwiches.
The sauce page shows a variety of sauces that Tracktown offers. As you can see, it just shows a picture of the sauce and the name of the sauce as well. Here on the beverages menu page, we have different beverage categories such as soda, beer, wine, juice, and other. In some of these categories, such as beer, we have subcategories like domestic beer, where underneath they have different serving sizes that are priced differently. For example, a 16 ounce is priced differently from a pitcher.
So it includes their physical address as well as their phone number. And then here we have an interactive Google Maps. So this is from Google Maps. We use an API key to access this information, and you can treat it just like regular Google Maps.
Here we have the blog page. As seen earlier, the most recent post is displayed on the home page, but on the blog page you can see the 3 most recent posts in order of most recent to oldest of the 3 on the bottom. At the very bottom, there is a navigation item to see earlier posts. Clicking on an individual blog post will take you to that blog's unique page so that the owners can link to individual blog posts that they'd like to share on social media and other forms of contact.
So it starts out with the title and an image showing the restaurant, and then down below it gives some history of Tracktown along with some information about the restaurant. So something that was requested by the owners is including this map of Tracktown, USA. So many people come from across the country, around the world, looking for famous running trails. And so we have included this map on their website so they can easily share it with different customers who come in asking for it. And then it will also include a link to the blog for people to learn more about Tracktown Pizza.
Administrative login page. It can only be navigated to directly by URL. It can be navigated to with the admin route of /admin/login. This is to discourage regular users who are not administrative users from trying to log in. When the user navigates here, it has a title with a form for email and password so that they can enter their user credentials and then consequently sign in. This will eventually direct the user to the Management Hub page. Since that is still in progress, it will currently redirect to the Edit Info page once the credentials are entered. If a user forgets their password and wishes to re-enter that with a reset password email, they can navigate to the Forgot Password page, entering in their email and clicking this. If they remember their password or wish to not enter in an email for sending a password reset email, they can navigate back to the login page. Page where administrative users can update existing company info as well as revise the 5 events that display on the events table on the home page. This includes changes to the phone number, address, opening and closing hours for both Sunday through Thursday and Friday and Saturday. And this is where they can change the event names and dates. Once they click on Update Info and Update Events, it will update the database with the updated information, as well as pull data from saved information from the database. If the user wishes to navigate back to the Management Hub, they can click the Return to Management Hub button. It currently does not redirect to the page yet, as it is currently under construction.
We also thought it would be worth mentioning that we have created mobile views for all of our pages. If we open up the Chrome developer view and click on, say, Galaxy S5 on the home page, you'll see that we have created a view, a mobile-friendly view for it. So if I scroll down here, you can see all the information in a layout friendly for a phone user. We've got the nav bar up here, which you can use. It has a drop down. Here is the menu page from a mobile view. And if we click on the pizza menu page, we will also see the pizzas in a layout that is easy to scroll through on a phone.
So this is the code for the page that had all the options where the user can really explore the kind of pizzas that they can build at Tracktown Pizza. So in total, it is made up of 14 components and one page. So as you can see up here are all the components, and then this is the page here. So down here is all of my JSX, which is a variant of HTML that's being returned for this pizza builder page. So it might not look like a lot, and that's because of the way I can break up everything into these other components. So all of that can kind of feed into one area. So this is one of the more simple components, and really what you see here is some JSX that's being returned, which is that variant of HTML, along with a map, which is what makes multiple features of it. One of my more complex components would be the pizza custom ops, and this one really handles a lot of the logic of how to change the colors of different buttons that have been clicked on. So you can kind of see components can range in complexity, but generally it really helps break up some of the code and make your main page a lot simpler to read. Other things that are included within Pizza Builder are a couple functions, including handle change, which is what determines what's going to happen when a user has clicked on a toggle. And then we also have handle click, which handles button clicks. So one thing you might be wondering is, why are these two functions so long? And that's really just good practice, actually, to have all of the button click handling be in one function. And so that's really just a JavaScript practice, not just a general coding thing. And then if we go up even higher, I have build order string, and this is all of the logic that goes behind how to decide what's going to be displayed in that little box at the bottom that gives the customer the order that they have picked. And so it actually takes all of these functions to parse all that information. And then up here at the top, we have these two functions, and these help determine the price of the pizza. And all these functions then return down here into this JSX, so the user can have all that information for them.
Thank you for watching our demo video. If you would like further information about our project, please refer to our winter end of term report document. If you have any questions, please send a message to any of our team members via OSU email.